Hey guys, Roy here with some tips and tricks on making money online and affiliate marketing. And really it's the same strategy for affiliate marketing, network marketing, a brick and mortar business. If you're trying to sell something, the number one thing that you need is you need people to come in and buy your products and services. You need people to come to your website and click on your links and buy your products and services. You don't get people to show up without being interested in your products and services. You can't get people interested if you're not interesting. And if you're not putting the word out there, you're not putting any work into broadcasting what you have, what your services are, what you are capable of, your success stories, other people's success stories. But all of that doesn't matter if your mindset sucks. If you are somebody that is just going to look at it and after a day or two you're going to be like, oh, I'm not going to make it, it's going to fail, it's going to just cost me money, it's not going to be worth it, it doesn't matter, I've done this before. All those little things happen, and then you discourage yourself, and then it doesn't happen because your mindset sucks. You stopped working, you stopped putting in the effort, you stopped taking action. Every day, be positive, believe that you can do it, you can do it. It'll happen. You gotta stay consistent too. You can't just take 2 or 3 actions, or not even lower than that. You can't just buy your affiliate link and then that's it, and it's just gonna magically make you money. It doesn't work that way. You need to, every single day, drive traffic to your site or your product or your services. And not only that, but if that's not even gonna work, you can have the best paid for system, the best advertising, spend the most money, it's still not going to generate you anything if your mindset sucks. If you believe you're going to fail, if you think, oh, it's not going to happen, it's not going to work, it's going to cost me too much money, it's not even, all those little things, you believe it, your mindset sucks, you're going to find a way to fail. You will, just like you had all the other times. So don't do that. Turn around and every single day, be positive, and that one's huge. Huge. If you are negative and you go on and you complain every single day and you bitch and moan and whine on all your social media and you're just doing it for attention, whether you realize you're doing it or not, people aren't going to be interested in that. So stay positive. You can do this. Stay focused. Take action every day and it'll happen. Thanks. Have a great day. Hope this helps.